It's full of empty space. Can you make buildings out of pineapple leaves? So you used to go to the loo in the kitchen. Another tight space.
Space on there?
It's full of empty space.
It's full of empty space.
Yes, it's full of empty space. Where are we going today?
We're going to go to Korcula.
Yep.
I think it's how you pronounce it. Which is an island just over there.
You can see the town, can't you?
Yeah. We're going to go, they've got like an old town on it. Got a museum and things here. A little swim really.
There's the boat over, coming in the distance. It's very clear, isn't it?
Look, see those itty bitty. Well, you probably can't see it on the camera.
It's teeny, like tadpoles.
Yeah.
And there's no clouds over the mountain today. No clouds, man.
No. Well, they rained on us yesterday.
It did. Big splodges. We're on the boat. We are on the boat. Can you make buildings out of pineapple leaves? We're off boat in Korčula. Okay, where first?
Oh, I don't know, just kind of going into the town and seeing it.
Give us a history lesson anyway.
I wish I knew, Chris.
And it's 3 years getting to church.
The church is beautiful.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
They've got loads of pictures there. I've seen a few.
Yeah. Hey cat.
Oh, there's a cat. There's always a cat.
Okay, again for another tight space. I'm hoping this is there's another way down.
I don't think there is.
Oh. Okay, not too high up. Look your head. Doesn't feel that safe. So we're in the bell tower, just opposite the museum, obviously. good view up here though. Oh. Wow. It's incredibly tight here. You just knocked the bell?
No, that was not me. That was not me at all.
Which bell was it?
Mm-hmm.
10:30. It's the half-hour bell. I was like, did you just knock the bell?
How am I going to move that thing? That's straight to the
Okay, no one here.
traditional kitchen of Korcula.
Do they have the kitchen upstairs? Yeah.
Well, according to this, kitchens in the house of Korcula were located on the top floor of the house in the loft.
Weird.
So this was not unusual.
So you used to go to the loo in the kitchen?
Yes. Also, that's where all of the water went from cooking, cleaning, clothes washing.
But it's not lovely here.
Well, it's got a thing on top.
So you can find your yule log with your poop.